Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to create custom icon from React Native Vector icons. I'm gonna use iCommon. So open this documentation and go to section custom icons, custom fonts, and then I'm gonna create the new icons with iCommon, and then open iCommon.io in your browser and import icons. I've already downloaded from Flaticon, so open and click the icon that you need to download to font and click generate font and click download. Okay, extract, and we'll have fonts and the selection.json, and we need to copy the selection.json to your React Native app, and the icon, open your Xcode first. I've already opened it, and I'm gonna create a new group, and the name will be resources, and copy these fonts to here and add to targets to your app. Finish. Oh. And then modify the file info.please on iOS, your project name, and info.please, and I'm gonna add iCommon.ttf. Save it. Okay, and then restart your service and rerun again. Restart the service and then open this documentation again and copy this line and paste in here. Okay, the name is iCommon and font's name is iCommon.ttf. So I'm gonna change this component to Super Mario, and it will be Super Mario name mushroom, and the size will be 24 mushroom 1 and Super Mario. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next tutorial.